Hi there, it's Brean Small with REMAX. Thanks for joining me on this gorgeous day in the beautiful KEN-CARYL Valley for my virtual open house. I'm here at one of my personal favorite listings, 3 Silvermound, Littleton, Colorado, 80127. This gorgeous home can be all yours for $750,000. Come on inside with me, let's take a tour. Welcome home to 3 Silvermound, located in a cul-de-sac with an adorable front porch. This charming, completely remodeled 2-story home with 3 beds and 4 baths has a very warm, modern mountain feel. When you first walk in the door, you are surrounded by a great room to the left with vaulted ceilings and tons of natural light. Looking onto the porch from the front room, you have majestic views of the hogback and surrounding foothills, which is especially pretty at sunset. As you turn right, you're entering the clean, crisp, modern kitchen with white Corian counters, espresso cabinets, stone backsplash, and hardwood floors. All of these appliances are stainless steel, and you also have the main floor bathroom conveniently located right off the kitchen with an updated vanity. One of the most wonderful features of this home is the huge private 12,000 square foot lot with open space views that you can see from the kitchen and breakfast nook windows. The cozy family room has a wood burning fireplace and views of the towering blue spruce trees in the backyard that make this lot so perfect and so private. An open concept floor plan you can enjoy with your family and your friends as you entertain with the bright kitchen opening into the living room. And one absolutely fantastic feature of this floor plan is that when you enter the home through the spacious 2-car garage, you walk into the freshly painted mudroom, which is so great for storage and organization, with built-ins and hooks for all of your family's Colorado gear. If you turn left once you enter through the garage, you then walk into the beautiful formal dining room with plenty of natural light and perfect for hosting dinner parties and holiday gatherings. And throughout the entire house, every room has been updated with modern light fixtures as well as a brand new banister installed in 2015. At the top of the stairwell as you turn left, you enter the spacious master bedroom with high ceilings and mountain views, a lovely sitting area as well, which is also near the updated master bathroom with a fabulous walk-in closet that actually was custom designed by California Closets. Right outside the master is your new loft-style home office with built-in custom desk, file storage, new hardwood floors, and a sunny open view looking right down into the great room. And just down the hall from that loft, there's the 2 guest bedrooms, as well as a beautiful full guest bathroom with wainscoting throughout. The open, airy floor plan is fabulous, as well as a huge unique feature of this home, that your laundry room is actually upstairs with built-in cabinets and storage, and it's located right next to all 3 bedrooms. So forget hauling laundry up and down the steps. The finished basement of this home is also fantastic with plenty of room for a media area as well as a workout space. Off the basement is a finished bathroom with a shower, so you could easily use this room as an additional 4th bedroom or a guest room as well. Thank you so much for joining me on our virtual open house tour today at 3 Silvermound. And in closing, check out this amazing lot. 12,000 square feet. It's perfect for backyard barbecues with your friends, throwing the football around, gardening, landscaping, you name it. These blue spruce trees are amazing for privacy, and it just makes it a really cozy lot. Right next to us too, we have open space, access to trails. And if you're not familiar with KEN-CARYL, it has some of the best amenities throughout all of Denver. We have award-winning schools, 3 swimming pools, 22 tennis courts, and about 45 miles of hiking trails. So if you have any questions, contact me, Brean Small with REMAX. And remember, when you're ready to buy or sell, dream big, call small.